Some believe this tiny coin could be worth thousands, even up to millions of dollars. Could that really be true? Is a small fortune sitting unnoticed in a coin jar or old drawer? Before revealing its actual worth, let's explore the history and background of the 2006 Canadian 1-cent coin. Watch this video till the end to discover the real value, including rare versions that collectors are hunting for today. Let's see the introduction to the coin. The 2006 Canadian 1-cent coin, often called a penny, is a small copper-colored coin that holds a special place in Canadian history. It was one of the last pennies to be widely circulated before the Canadian government officially phased out the denomination in 2012. On the obverse front of the coin, there is a right-facing portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, created by artist Susanna Blunt. This image has been used on Canadian coins since 2003 and shows the Queen without a crown, giving her a more modern and relatable look. The inscription reads, Elizabeth II D.G. Regina, which stands for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen. Let's see reverse design, the iconic maple leaf. Flipping the coin to the reverse side, you'll find one of Canada's most recognizable symbols, the maple leaf twig. Designed by G.E. Kruger Gray, this design has remained virtually unchanged since 1937. It features two maple leaves on a single twig, with the words 1 cent above and Canada below, along with the year 2006. This design reflects Canadian pride and national identity, small in size, but big in symbolism. Let's know what is it made of. In 2006, the Royal Canadian Mint produced the 1-cent coin using multiply plated steel. Here are the specs. Weight, 2.35 grams. Diameter, 19.05 millimeters. Composition, steel core, with layers of nickel and copper plating. Magnetic, yes, due to the steel core. This differs from older Canadian pennies, which were made of bronze or copper-plated zinc and were non-magnetic. Different versions of the 2006 penny. In total, the Royal Canadian Mint produced multiple variations of the 2006 penny, including 1. Regular circulation coins. 2. Collector sets, proof-like and specimen coins. 3. Coins with and without the P mint mark. 4. Mint errors or experimental strikes. It's these lesser-known varieties that can surprise collectors and add unexpected value. The question is, how much is it worth? Let's now reveal what everyone wants to know. What's the real value of the 2006 Canadian penny? Standard circulated coin. If your 2006 penny was used in day-to-day transactions and has normal wear. Value, between 1 cent and 10 cents. In excellent condition, uncirculated, it might fetch 25 cents to $1. These are very common, and millions were minted, so most are worth only a little more than face value unless they're in pristine condition. The special and rare versions worth more. Small Blue Diamond 1. 2006, no P, mint mark. Most 2006 pennies include a small P mint mark below the Queen's portrait, indicating they are made with plated steel. But some rare 2006 coins were accidentally struck without this mint mark. These no P error coins are highly collectible. Value, between $5 and $50 plus, depending on condition. Tip, always inspect below the Queen's bust to see if the P is missing. 2. Magnetic versus non-magnetic. All 2006 pennies should be magnetic. If you find one that is non-magnetic, it could be a rare mint error or struck on a leftover bronze or zinc planchet. Value, could range from $100 to several $100s. Important, these need to be authenticated by a grading service, like PCGS or NGC, to confirm it's a legitimate error. 3. Proof and specimen coins. Coins struck for collector sets are not meant for circulation and are made with extra care. Value, ranges from $1 to $10 per coin, or more if part of a full set. Look for mirror-like surfaces and sharp details. 4. Mint errors, off-center strikes, double dies, die cracks. These are rare, but if found, they can bring $50 to $200 plus, depending on the severity of the error. Now the question is, where are these coins found? In old coin jars. In inherited coin collections. Inside Royal Canadian Mint collector sets. Occasionally in pocket change, though that's becoming rare since the penny was discontinued. One important thing is to avoid the hype. Some websites or online sellers list these coins for thousands or millions of dollars, but these are not real market values. In fact, most 2006 pennies sell for under $1. A few rare versions can go for $50 to $500. Only authenticated mint errors or experimental pieces might fetch more, and those are extremely rare. Don't be fooled by fake eBay listings or viral videos without proof. Interesting thing is that Canada officially stopped distributing pennies in 2013, although production ended in 2012. The reason? It cost 1.6 cents to produce each penny, more than its actual value. Now, cash transactions are rounded to the nearest 5 cents, making the penny a part of Canadian history. So, should you keep it? Yes, especially if it is in uncirculated or mint condition, has no mint mark, is non-magnetic, shows any minting errors. Even if it's not worth a fortune, the 2006 penny is a piece of a fading era, and keeping one is like holding on to a slice of Canadian heritage. So is your 2006 Canadian penny worth $1 million? In most cases, no. But it could be worth much more than 1 cent, especially if it's a rare error, variation, or collector's piece. White heavy check mark check for the mint mark. White heavy check mark use a magnet. White heavy check mark examine for errors. White heavy check mark get valuable ones graded and certified. You never know, your penny might just be a hidden treasure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing coin stories. Have a rare coin? Share your finds in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!